Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I have made a super easy and delicious beef enchiladas and I am just about ready to dig in. I'm excited to show you just how to make them, so hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. So to a large skillet, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef and 1 tablespoon of a taco seasoning. And I'm also going to add a half of a cup of restaurant style Old El Paso salsa. And 1 cup of black beans. Alright, so my beef mixture is all done, and now what I'm going to do is I have a can here of red enchilada sauce. Now I'm using the mild, but you can use the spicy if you like. And I'm just going to pour just a little bit in the bottom of a baking dish. And I'm just going to spread it out on the bottom to fill my flour tortillas. Now I'm using small ones, but you can use large ones if you like. Just going to place some of that meat mixture to my tortilla. Carefully roll it up. Place it seam side down in the bottom of the baking dish. Just going to keep filling and rolling. All right, then I'm going to pour the rest of this enchilada sauce over top. Because I don't like to waste, I'm just going to sprinkle the rest of this beef mixture over top of my enchiladas. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle the top with some cheddar cheese. Around 2 cups. All right, then I'm going to cover it and bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so I just took the beef enchiladas out of the oven, and now I'm going to uncover it, and we'll have the big reveal together. Ta-da! Alrighty, it is my favorite time. It is time to eat. Oh yeah. All right, so you can't get much easier than this. And another thing that's really nice about these enchiladas is that they freeze really well. So you can make up a batch, put them in your freezer, and then you have a nice meal on hand. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.